Hello all, I welcome you all on behalf of Exponential Up, which is an educational academy. We will be bringing O-level exam preparation guidance series for business study subject here. There are 6 sections in this entire course. Every section has many topics. Upon completion of every section, we will share practice questions for your preparation. Right now, we are studying topic number 1 of section number 1. Section number 1 name is understanding business activity. Its topic details are number 1 business activity, number 2 classification of businesses, third is enterprise, business growth and size, fourth is types or kinds of businesses, and final one is business objective and stakeholders. We will explore all these topics one by one. Business activity, this is our topic number 1. In business activity topic, we will understand economic problem term, limited resource, specialization, purpose of business activity and added value. Our expectation and how you can get maximum benefit from this course. While seeing this video, keep book, notebooks and pen ready to note down learning points. See complete video till end for complete comprehension of this topic. Third is subscribe our channel and like the content for our motivation. Fourth is give us your valuable feedback and suggestion for improvement and betterment. And final is share your learning experience with colleagues. Let's start our topic. The first term is needs. Goods or services required for living is called need. Its example could be water, because without water we cannot survive. Wants. Good or service people would like to have but not essential for living. Example could be latest car or luxurious house. Economic problems. Wants are unlimited but resources are limited. So this creates scarcity, which is main cause of economic problems. Economic factor of productions. Resources required to produce goods or services are called factor of production. Common factor of production are land, labor, capital and enterprise. Land means all natural resources including land itself and material which we extract from land. Labor means worker or staff available to make products or services. Capital means finance, machinery, equipment needed to make products. Enterprise means skill and risk taking capacity of a person. This person is called entrepreneur or owner of the business. Scarcity. Lack of sufficient production to meet population need is called scarcity. Opportunity cost. Cost of next best alternative given up by selecting first alternative is called opportunity cost. Say for example, we have two choices. We can buy car and we can buy bungalow. So if we decide to buy car, cost of bungalow will be opportunity cost. If we decide to buy bungalow, cost of car will be opportunity cost. Specialization. When people at business focus on what they are best at, it's called specialization. You have heard the term of specialized doctor, specialized lawyer and so on. Division of labor. When production process is divided among individual worker and every worker performs his assigned task, it is called division of labor. For example, when you go to bank, you notice that different people are doing different job. This is division of labor. Advantage. Due to specialization, merits of division of labor are trained worker, higher output and less time wastage. And demerits are demotivation and risk of no backup. Businesses. It combines factor of production to create goods for wants fulfillment. And final concept of our course is added value. Added value is basically the difference between selling price and cost of material. Say for example, you buy a jogger and cost of that jogger is $100 and cost of material of that jogger is $80. So 100 minus 80, which is $20, is added value. Thank you very much.